In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your InVideo project with a simple prompt. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional watermark on your video that helps protect your content and reinforces your brand identity, all without digging through complicated menus. First, head over to InVideo in your browser. Once you're in, navigate to your projects area. This is where all your existing creations live, and it keeps everything organized so you can jump back into any video you're working on. Find the project you want to watermark and select it. Clicking the project will open the editor. Give it a moment to load. Larger videos with lots of media can take a bit longer. While it's loading, avoid refreshing the page or opening too many heavy tabs in the background. That helps the editor initialize smoothly. When your project opens, look for the prompt box on the screen. This is the text field where you can tell InVideo what you want it to do. Click inside the prompt box and type exactly. Add watermark, name of your brand name. Be sure to keep the quotation marks and replace the placeholder text with your actual brand name. Using quotes helps the system understand that the words inside are the exact text you want to appear as the watermark. Keep your spelling and capitalization consistent with how you usually present your brand. Next, click on the Generate button to run the prompt. InVideo will process your request and apply the watermark to your project. You may see a brief progress indicator while it works. If your project is long or contains multiple scenes, it might take a few moments. Just let it finish. When the generation completes, your watermark should be visible across the video. Typically, watermarks appear in a corner with a subtle transparency so they're present without distracting from the content. This approach is great for brand recognition and helps deter unauthorized reuse of your video. That's it, your watermark is in place. The beauty of doing it this way is how fast and consistent it is, especially if you're preparing multiple videos and want the same branding across all of them. Remember, clarity and consistency are key. A simple, readable brand name is usually more effective than something overly stylized when used as a watermark. To recap, you opened InVideo, went to your project, let it load, typed the prompt, add watermark with your brand name in quotes, and clicked Generate. With those steps, you're done and your video is now branded.